In this video, we'll work out exactly how much Dam Stop Leak Professional you will need to seal leaks in your dam. If you know the location of the leak, we recommend calculating and treating a 10-meter radius around the leak site. If you don't know the leak site, you need to calculate and treat the surface area of the entire dam. To calculate how much Dam Stop Leak Professional you will need, the first step is to measure and multiply the length and width of your water body in meters. This will give you your surface area in square meters. Our recommendation is to use 60 grams of Dam Stop Leak Professional per square meter of water surface area. For example, 1 kilogram treats up to 17 square meters, 5 kilograms treats up to 83 square meters, 15 kilograms treats up to 250 square meters, and 18 kilograms treats up to 300 square meters. Alternatively, the amount of product required can be calculated by multiplying the surface area of your dam by 0.06. For example, if your dam is 30 meters long and 10 meters wide, this means you have a surface area of 300 square meters. Multiply by 0.06, and that will mean you will need 18 kilograms of Dam Stop Leak Professional to treat it. Dam Stop Leak Professional is an effective solution for plugging in leaking dams. For more information on Dam Stop Leak Professional, check out our other videos on how to apply Dam Stop Leak Professional and what to expect after treatment. Or you can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au